For this recipe, you'll be needing these ingredients for the choux pastry: 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now let's dive into making the choux pastry. Bring 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of butter to a boil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low, add 1 cup of flour all at once and stir vigorously until the mixture forms a ball and pulls away from the pan. Transfer this dough to a mixing bowl and let it cool for a bit. Then, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once your dough is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a large round tip. Pipe out 4-inch long strips onto your prepared baking sheet. Bake these for 15 minutes. Then reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees and bake for another 15 minutes or until golden and puffed. Once done, remove from the oven and let cool. While your pastry is baking, you can start on the pastry cream filling. Heat 2 cups of milk over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch until smooth. Gradually whisk in the hot milk into the egg mixture to temper the eggs. Return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until thickened. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate until cold. When your pastries and cream are ready, it's time to assemble your eclairs. Slice each eclair in half horizontally. Fill a piping bag with the chilled pastry cream, and pipe it onto the bottom half of each eclair. Then place the top half back on. For the final touch, the chocolate glaze, heat 1/2 cup of the heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. Pour the hot cream over the 4 ounces of semisweet chocolate, chopped chocolate, and in the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the chocolate glaze, letting the excess drip off. Give your eclairs a few minutes in the refrigerator to set the chocolate glaze before serving. We can't wait to hear how your chocolate eclairs turned out. And remember, the recipe is in the description. Show some love by liking and subscribing to help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Enjoy your eclairs!